Alex in the Brewhaven.
Remember last time I told you to prepare for your company's chart of accounts? Let's start. The chart is arranged in the financial statement order, that is asset first, followed by liabilities, owner's equity, revenue, and expenses. The purpose of the chart of accounts is to help to identify where the money is coming from and where it is going. It is the foundation of the financial statements. It is used to organize finances and give interested parties, such as investors and shareholders, a clearer view and understanding of a company's financial health. Presented here is an illustration of how the accounts are listed and numbered. 1 or 100 is assigned for the assets of the company. 2 or 200 is assigned for the liabilities. 3 for owner's equity. 4 for revenue. And 5 or 500 for the company's expenses. Just for example, cash. Cash is the most liquid current assets. Cash is an asset, therefore the assigned number for cash starts with 1 and then is followed by another 1 indicating that cash is the first current asset. 0 is the third number, indicating that cash is the general account or main account of cash accounts. If not 0, signifies that the account is a contra account or an adjunct account of a related account. Just like these accounts, the furniture account numbered 180 and the contra account accumulated depreciation furniture numbered 185. The furniture is a non-current asset account, listed 8th, and a general account. The account accumulated depreciation furniture is also an asset account. It shows number 185, indicating that this account is a contra asset account of furniture. A contra account is an account used in a general ledger to reduce the value of a related account. There is no standard way of assigning account numbers. It should be assigned in a manner that the accounts are categorized locally. Each business shall formulate a chart of accounts that best suits its needs. To prepare the chart of accounts, you have to first list down all assets, from current to non-current accounts. Assign a number based on the list. Assign a number starting with 1. Secondly, list down liabilities, from current to non-current. Assign a number starting with 2. Third, list down the owner's equity account. Also, assign a number starting with 3. Fourth, list down the company's revenue account based on the main source of income. Assign a number starting with 4. Finally, for expense accounts, list down and assign a number per account starting with 5. Usually, companies arrange it in which they spend more to lesser spending value. Again, remember the following. List down all assets from current to non-current accounts. Assigned numbers starting with 1. List down liabilities from current to non-current. Assign a number starting with 2. List down the owner's equity account. Assign a number starting with 3. List down the company's revenue account based on the main source of income, and assign a number starting with 4. For expense accounts, list down and assign a number starting with 5. Never forget that assigning a number is not fixed, but flexible. It should be assigned in a manner that the accounts are categorized locally. Here are some company charts of accounts that are commonly used. Notice their account codes and also account names. It depends on the company's operation on what are the accounts included in the chart of accounts and also on how they are going to prepare them or number them. To promote comparability, the business shall use account titles that conform to the PFRS's, Philippine Financial Reporting Standards, and industry practices. Furthermore, regulated businesses should have a chart of accounts or account numbering system that conforms to the relevant regulations. Okay, that will be all for now. Let's start preparing your chart, Al.
Want some coffee? Let's have it at the cafe.
Perfect.